In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update WooCommerce. Keeping WooCommerce up to date is really important for security, performance, and compatibility with other plugins and your theme. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go inside your WordPress dashboard, what to look for, and how to make sure your WooCommerce plugin is running the latest version. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the backend area where you manage your site. Once you're logged in, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Near the top, under the dashboard section, you'll see an option called Updates. Go ahead and click on Updates. On the Updates page, WordPress shows you any available updates for your core installation, themes, and plugins. Scroll down until you reach the section labeled Plugins. Here, you'll see a list of plugins that have updates available. Look through this list for WooCommerce. If WooCommerce appears here, select it and click the button to update. WordPress will download and install the latest version for you automatically. This process usually only takes a few seconds, but wait until you see the confirmation that the plugin has been updated before you navigate away from the page. If you do not see WooCommerce in the list of plugins that need an update, that most likely means it is already up to date. In that case, there is nothing you need to do from this screen. If you want to double check, or you prefer to manage updates directly from your plugin list, you can also confirm the WooCommerce version from the plugins section. Look again at the left-hand menu and find Plugins. Hover over it and then click on Installed Plugins. This page shows every plugin currently installed on your site. Scroll through the list until you find WooCommerce. If an update is available, you'll see an Update Now button or a similar notice directly under the WooCommerce plugin name. Clicking that will start the update process, just like on the updates page. You can also click the View Details link in the WooCommerce description. This opens a window where you can see the plugin's changelog, version information, and the date of the last update. This is useful if you want to review what's changed before you update, and that's all there is to it. By checking the updates page and the installed plugins list, you can easily keep WooCommerce current and your store running smoothly.